Hey guys, and welcome back to the 5th video of our scratch journey. And this is the scratch is one part of our big adventure from scratch to thunkable. Thunkable won't be a big one because it takes a lot of time, and then we will go to HTML, and then you go to CSS, go to JavaScript, and then after all these we'll go to Python. And it's gonna be a long journey, and I hope you guys are with me. And at the end of every adventure, of like every chapter, like after we've done all the scratch projects, we're gonna be making one huge and big and nice project which you're gonna spend some time on. The video is gonna be pretty long, and I hope you guys are ready for that one. But to get to that level, we're gonna have to practice and learn first. So in today's video, we are going to learn about the ask block in the sensing, and we're going to learn about sensing blocks and operators. So we're going to open our scratch and we're going to create a new project, and in this project we want to keep the cat. Now here's the cat, meow meow meow, and we're going to see here. So as you can see, these are the operators. There's a plus, minus, multiplication, division, pick random. Basically it's a block which you put inside of another block. So let's say you want to set my variable to something, but you don't know, or like you want to make it so that it picks a random, and this is what we're actually going to be doing in today's project. So like pick a random from 45 to I don't know what that was, 122, 1.2 million, I guess. So you place it inside of this value here. So here is the part where you type in the value, and you drag this pick random block into the part where you press the value. So these blocks are blocks that are very important and that are used a lot. These, I call them the crocodile blocks, and this is the equals to sign. We will talk about that later, but the crocodile blocks I want to talk about because as you can see on one of these ones, there is a little V-shaped thing that is doing like this, and there's another one over here that is doing like this. You've seen these a lot, maybe, I don't know. And these basically so basically we'll start with the top one, which has the mouth pointing towards the left. So we'll call that left mouth, okay? So LM for short. Now LM, as you can see, left mouth. The mouth is like here. If you can imagine some teeth on it, it's, oh, that's a very big tooth. Now then you can like draw something here. You get it? So like it looks like a crocodile here. So I like to call them crocodile mouths. Now, basically, here says that this number is bigger than this one. So the number that the mouth has turned its back on is smaller than the other one. And if the number is, let's say you have two numbers, okay? Let's make this easy. Two numbers, I have 5 and I have 1. Oh no, okay, I need to find some space here. 5 here and I have 1 here. Which way do you think the crocodile mouth is going to be pointing towards? Just going to give you some time to think about it. You can pause the video if you need it, but I'm going to be showing the answer now. The answer is the crocodile mouth is going to be trying to eat the 5 and going to be showing his back to 1. Now if the value instead of 1 was 6 and it was 5 here, the crocodile mouth would, just going to give you a second, pause if you need. Okay, let's go. So the crocodile mouth would be pointing in this direction because this number is bigger. Now as you can see here, when making a game, the computer doesn't really know directly that, oh, we need this one, oh, that we need this one. So the Scratch has created two separated blocks for us. So we also need to know when and how we're using it, so that we don't mix up the blocks. So this is why you should also keep that in mind. And the is equals to blocks just means that whatever on this side is equal to this side. So that's not pretty hard to learn. Now these ones we're gonna, oh, sorry. These ones we're gonna go over later, but as you can see, this is and, so like you can put this and this into one big block. What is this? This and this into this. So it's like that, and then not there. We'll talk about them later. Next up, we're gonna be using this one and join apple and banana. You can change this so you can join. You can join two things, like join my variable and answer, which we're not going to be using. Wait, I think we are. Okay, whatever. But as you can see, it joins two things and it prints them out. And then the next one is going to be apple contains a. Now, we won't be using this, but as you can see, whatever you put in here, let's say I put in Bapple. I don't know what that is, but it's something. It contains a. It is true because there's a there. Now, bubble, false. Okay, so let's stop talking and get started. So first of all, I'm gonna put the sprite's location, which is the most important thing. We should all know this. Put it right there. Nice. Next up, we want the sprite to give us a question. So it's gonna ask. Ooh, where is it? There. Ask, what is your name? And wait, but no, we're not gonna ask what is your name. It's gonna be saying pick and choose a number between 1 to 10. Just gonna keep it simple. Now, once you've done this, you wanna click on this answer. It's right underneath the ask button, and you want to click the tick button for now. Now this will show what I have here. And what I mean by, if you press green flag, you can see it opens up a little box which I can type in. So I can put H in there, and the answer value becomes H. Next up, we want to go to the variables, and when when we're at the variables, we want to rename my variables. So you left click on it, or you can hold it to rename it, and then you rename it to number. Now, once you've done this, you can also give a tick on that. We're going to be not having this one. We're not going to be having this one as of right now, but yes. So now you want to go here and set number to 0 in the beginning, and set number to 0 just above the ask block. And now you got to go to the operators, and we're going to take out the pick random block, because we're going to pick a random number from 1 to 10 for the value to be. So as you can see, number 5 has been selected, so 5, and that's for my 5. Now they're matching. So, but the cat isn't saying anything. So to fix this, we're going to do a bit more coding. So first of all, we're gonna go to the control block. I'm gonna take out the if then block. Now this block basically says if this here happens, then you go on and you put some code in there. So if then the answer is equals to, the answer that is given from the player is equals to the same value as the variable, then it will say that, oh great, you have got the correct number. So we're going to drag out the is equals to block and place it there, and we're going to take the answer from the sensing and we're going to place it in the first block there. You can also switch them up, because it's is equals to, it really doesn't matter. So you can place this there and the number there. Then you want the cat to say nice, you got it correctly. Or you can say, actually, nice. You got the correct number. You can also customize this in the way you want, in whatever way you want. And you can choose this for 2 seconds. Actually, what's better here, I made a mistake, is that you should actually take the say block. Say here, say hello. This will forever say it. So nice, you got the correct number. And here also you can write here in brackets for the game that press green flag to play again. Press green flag to play again. Now it will say that. So let's test it. Pick and choose a number between 1 and 5. Is it always going to be 5? Okay, it's 2 now, so I choose 2. Nice, you got the correct number. Press green flag to play again. Number 8. Now if I input 7, which is not is equals to 8, he will not say anything because we haven't coded that part. So let's go if then block underneath. And now we take the crocodile blocks and we take the one above the is equals to, which is the crocodile mouth pointing in the right direction, or eating the number 50. So now, and we go back to answer and we put a number. Now if we look closely, the crocodile mouth is eating the number, which means that in this occasion, our answer, if our answer is less than our number, then it will print this here. So it will say for, now take the say for 2 seconds thing at block, and you press type, in oof, you got, oh my god, you got it wrong. Try again. Now it will say that. And then you copy this block, the ask block, pick and choose a number between 10. And you copy this block, which is the set number to pick random. And once you've done that, you place them both in there and you put that back. Now, if we get it wrong, then it will play the game again so that we won't have to press the green flag again. So basically, it will play the game again for us automatically. But it also chooses a new number, which will make it harder, but we shouldn't do that. So we'll just drag that out of there for now, just for now. And duplicate the second block with the pick a number between 1 to 10. So basically, take this out, take this out, take this out, get the upper one, put the number there, and put the answer there. And here you want to say your number was too big. Too small, too small, too small. Your number was too small. Here press your number is too big. Okay, so now that is done, we have to do one thing, and that is for the say blocks. You see it says 2 seconds. That will be way too fast. So we'll put this to 10 seconds to give some time for the player to read. Reduce that to 5 seconds because 10 seconds is actually a bit too long. Now you have to test, and the best way to check is to test. So the best way to learn is from your mistakes. Now let's try green flag. Pick and choose a number from 1 to 10. Choose 2. Nice, you got the correct number. Press the green flag to play again. Pick and choose number 1 to 10. Let's answer 3, which is not the answer. If you got it wrong, try again. Your number was too small. That is a spelling error. You want to see that so you don't have that like I did. Now let's go above and press 9. If you got it wrong, try again. Your number is too big, and if we wait 5 seconds, it will let us play again. Okay, now if we choose 7. Mistake. Or error, we can say actually. So, now the problem here is that it's not going back to the correct answer. So, what we can do is that we can duplicate the if then block. Oh no. Duplicate this block, only the one above. This one. Do you see this one? The one that says answer is equals to number. Duplicate only that one and duplicate it once more. So you have 3 of these in your code and place 1 in each of these. This will fix the bug and it will make it fixed. Yeah, we'll fix it. So now we try again, see if there's any errors. Let's go to what is too big. Just gonna see if this little trick works. Wait, no, there 5. It did not. Oh no. My code got deleted. Oh no. Oh no. Well, this video has become a bit funnier. Oh no. Well, oh no. I'm gonna have to leave it where it's at. I'm gonna go back to. Oh, I did that. Oh no. Oh. Okay, viewers. Basically, adding whatever I did was kind of a bad idea, but keep this in here, and that should be your game at this point. So 3, 1. I want to test this. If you got it now, your number's too small. Now 3. Correct answer. Yes, it works. Oh, it works. Okay. Forever block is insane. So basically, here I can show you the whole code if you're having problems. This is the whole code. So when we first coded, when the green flag is clicked, then when you set the number to 0, to the number variable, then we go to this position. So if you accidentally move it, it will go always back. Then we set and choose a number between 1 to 10, and then we ask the player, pick and choose a number between 1 to 10 and wait. Don't put a forever block. Now this block is important because what it does is it forever loops the thing again. Now why isn't it looping this part? Because I haven't done anything extra here, and it's gonna, I've also put the no timer block, so it doesn't end. It'll just keep on saying that. So basically the only way to get out of this loop is to press the green flag again, and then if you get the wrong answer, the game skips this and goes down to these 2, checks if the answer I've given is less than the number. If the answer is less than my number, then it will say that if you got it wrong, try again. Your number was too small. Wait for 5 seconds and then pick and choose a number between 1 to 10. Now, once this block plays, this block here, the scratch will go back here and play from here, so that it will be waiting for an answer and checking if all of these statements are true or false. So that sums it up, and I hope you guys had a nice time. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.